volcano experiment. This volcano erupts with color-changing lava. It is totally mind-blowing. Alright, so today is activity 7, color-changing volcano. Alright, so for this activity, we needed citric acid, baking soda, red cabbage dye, 3 plastic cups, medium scoop, small scoop, stir sticks, pipette. We needed to get a plate to catch all of the extra water. Got our 3 cups. We need a cup of water, and you also need some flour. Alright, so our first steps are to make the volcano. So that's what we're going to do first. So let's get, alright, Dad, I want you to add 1 scoop of flour into this cup, into our first cup. 1 medium scoop of flour into the first cup. And then it said 4 scoops of baking soda. I'll do baking soda. Well, I'll tell you what, Peggy, you can do baking soda. Alright, then it says to stir. Oh, we gotta add 2 small scoops of red cabbage powder. So, do you want to add the red powder? Alright, I'm gonna put the paper towels under this so that the dye won't stain my table. Okay. Alright, now we gotta stir this stuff up. Gotta stir it up so there are no lumps. We gotta put the water in first. The water's what's gonna get the change the color. Because right now this is just a bunch of solids mixed up together. Remember, a powder is still a solid. It's just lots of teeny tiny solids. Okay? Alright, so our next step is to add 1 medium of water and stir until the powder is all moist. So we're going to add a medium of water.
It's blue. Yeah. It's a powder. It's blue. Yeah, it's like a diamond.
Alright, and it says to stir this until it's like a paste. Until all of this moist like paste. Alright, so now that we have our dry mix, our directions say to dump it into the plate, and we're going to form this into like a little mini volcano. Alright, so I did break apart a paper clip to kind of help me scrape it off of the cup a little bit better without it getting stuck inside of the stir straw. All of our paste finally ready. We're going to scoop that out into the plate, and we're going to form that into like a little volcano shape. Okay? Now I'm going to do this because I don't want y'all to get this blue dye all over your fingers, like you got it all over your mouth with these suckers. Alright, so remember this is like a acidic. I mean, this is like a basic solution. We got the baking powder with the red cabbage dye and the water. And remember that very, very basic solutions, they turn out to be like a very dark blue color. And they even go, the more basic they are, they can be green. And sometimes they can get to a yellowish color. Yep. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and pour this blue dye, or this blue clay here into a nice little mini volcano. Another cup. So here's our next cup. We've already used this one. I'm going to turn it face down on a paper towel. And with this cup, we are supposed to fill it 3/4 with water. So, Dabby, you pour in the water. And I'll tell you when to stop. And stop. 3/4 full of water. And add 3 small scoops of red cabbage dye. And then Peyton will let you stir it. Okay? Alright, now in the third cup, it says fill this 3/4 full again with warm water. We're going to add 4 medium scoops of citric acid to that cup. So, Brooke, I'm going to let you add those scoops of citric acid into this cup. So, here's the scoop. Our next step says to pour some of the purple water onto the plate, making a puddle around our volcano. And we're going to pretend that our volcano is an island in the middle of the sea. Now you can see it a lot better. Alright, so go ahead and pour in the purple water. Just a little bit, Paige, just a little bit at a time. Pretty cool.
Yeah, it do look like an
Alright, now we're going to draw up some of this citric acid solution with the pipette. This is our pipette. And then we're going to drop it down onto our volcano and watch as it erupts. Here's what I'm doing. And I'm going to be dropping those little drops right down there. So I'm going to squeeze this up, and Brooke, since Peyton poured that, I'm going to let you drop it. Alright, Brooke. Alright, so now we're going to watch this volcano erupt. We just dropped a little bit on it. I want you to see how it looks when it erupts. Go ahead and drop it, Pay. Pretty cool.
It looks like water coming. I see bubbles.
Alright, so we're going to see how many times will we have to drop the citric acid solution in order to dissolve our volcano completely. So if you can see, it's gotten a little bit smaller from what we dropped on it so far. We're going to see how many more drops. How many do you think it'll take, DJ? We've already done 3 drops on it. How many more do you think it'll take?
More than 5.
So you saying maybe more than 8 drops altogether?
Yeah, probably.
All right, Peyton, how many more do you think it'll take? We just dropped 4.
I think it's
12 altogether. Brooke, how many do you think it'll take?
6.
All right, so we just dropped 4 here. Makes 5. You think we're gonna need only 1 more drop to dissolve all of this fruit? Just 1?
No. What? It's probably like what Peggy said, probably 12 or more.
Well, you have to see. I'm about to load them and drop them as much as I can.
6. 7.
So if you're looking at around the volcano, close to the outer edges of it, it's still got like a blue lining on it. And that's coming from the mostly basic solution, but closer into the volcano, it looks more purple and red because of the acidic solution.
This 8 right
So this
here.
will be 8.
It looks like it's melting.
It is melting, it's dissolving. So this is on 8, now I'm about to drop 9. Let's see if 9 is gonna do it.
Me and Peggy probably was right, 12 or more. Can I squeeze it in by myself?
I'm gonna let you do it soon. Alright, so that makes 9. So how many is that now? Ooh, let's see. We don't have too much more volcano left to go.
It looks big.
Let's see if this will be enough to get it. How many? This will make what number now? So this will make how many? And if you look around the whole volcano island, you'll see the more of this citric acid solution we drop, the more bubbles it makes, and the more the color changes from that dark blue to like this pinkish purple color like what we see over here.
It is purple. Like, see, I said it. 12 or more.
So how many is this now? As soon as we drop it on there, it turns to like that light pink color. But then as it goes on down the volcano, it becomes purple. And the reason is because of that basic mix of baking soda and flour and water. That's what the mountain is made of. But as soon as we drop it on, it's just all citric acid and purple cabbage dye. I mean citric acid water with the purple cabbage dye.
And it bubble all around.
Still not completely dissolved, but it has gone down quite a bit.
It gotta go down all the way.
No, so solid is not necessarily coming out of it, but it's dissolving. It's dissolving into
I thought it was
that
because
liquid.
the water.
But well, the bubbles are actually coming from the gases though that are coming from that solid and that liquid combining. All right, so like I was saying, it has these bubbles. This is how like an actual volcano works. When it erupts, all of the hot lava that goes into the water, it cools and it makes the island spread. The island becomes a little bit bigger. Alright, so that is the end of our color changing volcano experiment. Our volcano started out blue, and then as we drop the citric acid solution onto it, it starts off like a pinkish color, but as it flows down the volcano, the liquid becomes more basic. It becomes more blue and purple.
It looks like a rainbow color.
Alright, thanks for watching.
Peace.